everyone, and welcome back to Small Talk Podcast. I am Emily, and today we have a very exciting topic.
Hello, everyone. I am Robert. It is so great to be here with you today.
Robert, how are you today? You look very ready.
I am very ready. I love our topic today. I think it is very useful for everyone.
It really is. But before we start, everyone please subscribe to our channel. It means so much to us.
Yes, please subscribe and click the like button and share this podcast with your friends. It helps us reach more people.
Okay, Robert, are you ready to start?
I am ready. So, Emily, what is our topic today?
Today, our topic is how to write a simple resume.
A resume. Yes, this is so important. Almost everyone needs a resume at some point in their life.
Exactly. When you want a new job, the first thing you need is a resume.
And many people feel nervous about writing one. They think it is very hard.
But it is not hard. Today, we will show you it is easy. We will go step by step.
I love that. Step by step is the best way to learn. Okay, so first, what is a resume?
Good question. A resume is a short document. It tells an employer about you.
An employer is the person or company that gives you a job.
Yes, so your resume says who you are, what you can do, and why you are good for the job.
It is like your introduction on paper or on a computer.
Exactly. And a good resume can help you get an interview.
An interview is when you meet the employer and they ask you questions.
Right, so the resume is your first step. It opens the door.
I like that. The resume opens the door. Okay, so what are the parts of a resume?
A 5-part resume has 5 main parts. Let us go through each one.
5 parts. That sounds very manageable. What is the first part?
The first part is your personal information. This goes at the very top of your resume.
Personal information. What do you write there?
You write your full name, your phone number, your email address, and sometimes your city.
So, for example, I would write Robert Smith, then my phone number, then my email.
Exactly. Simple and clean. The employer needs to know how to contact you.
That makes sense. If they like your resume, they need to call you or email you.
Yes, so always check your phone number and email. Make sure they are correct.
A very good tip. One wrong number and they cannot reach you. Okay, what is the second part?
The second part is called the objective, or sometimes people call it the summary.
Objective. What does that mean exactly?
It's 2 or 3 sentences about you. You say what kind of job you want and why you are good for the job.
Can you give us an example?
Yes, of course. You can write something like this. I am a hardworking and friendly person. I'm looking for a job in customer service. I want to help people and grow my skills.
Oh, that is very simple and very clear. I like it. It tells the employer a lot in just a few words.
Exactly. Keep it short, keep it positive. Use good describing words.
Like hardworking or friendly or organized.
Yes, those are great words to use. Employers love those words.
Good to know. Okay, so we have personal information and objective. What is part 3?
Part 3 is work experience. This is where you write your past jobs.
Past jobs. So the jobs I had before.
Yes, you write the name of the company, the job title, and the dates you worked there.
And what if someone has no experience? What if it's their first job?
That's a great question, and don't worry, everyone starts somewhere.
That is true. We all have a first job.
If you have no job experience, you can write volunteer work, or school projects, or any work you did for your family or community.
Oh, interesting. So helping at a local event can count as experience?
Yes, it can. It shows you are active and responsible. That is very important.
I love that. Okay, so do not be discouraged if you have no formal job history. You can still write something meaningful.
Exactly. Always think about what you have done. You have more experience than you think.
That is very motivating, Emily. Okay, what is part 4?
Part 4 is education. This is where you write about your school.
Education. So I write the name of my school and when I finished?
Yes, you write the name of the school, the degree or certificate you got, and the year you finished.
What if someone did not go to university? What if they only finished high school?
That is completely fine. You write your high school name and your graduation year. Every education is valuable.
Good. And if someone took a short course or online training, can they write that too?
Yes, absolutely. Any certificate or course is worth writing. It shows you keep learning.
Employers like people who keep learning. That is a great quality.
It really is. Learning never stops, and your resume can show that.
Beautiful. Okay, so the last part, part 5. What is it?
Part 5 is skills. This is my favorite part.
Skills. What kind of skills do you write?
You write things you are good at. For example, computer skills, communication skills, or languages you speak.
Oh, so if I speak English and Spanish, can I write that?
Yes, speaking more than one language is a very valuable skill. Write it with confidence.
What other skills can people write?
You can write things like working in a team, problem solving, being on time, or using Microsoft Word or Excel.
These are very common skills, and many people have them, but forget to write them.
That is so true. Do not be humble on your resume. Write your skills proudly.
I like that advice. Be proud of what you know and what you can do.
Yes, your resume is your chance to shine. Use it well.
Okay, so let us review the 5 parts: personal information, objective, work experience, education, and skills.
Perfect. You remembered all 5. That was fast.
You explained them very well. Now let me ask, how long should a resume be?
For a simple resume, 1 page is enough. Keep it short and easy to read.
1 page. That does not sound too difficult.
It is not. Employers are busy. They read many resumes. A short and clear resume is better.
So do not write too much. Write only the most important things.
Exactly. Quality is better than quantity. Say more with fewer words.
Good advice. Now, what about the design? Does the resume need to look special?
It should look clean and professional. Use a simple font like Arial or Times New Roman.
And not too many colors or decorations.
Right. Keep it simple. Black text on white paper is always safe and professional.
Simple is always better when it comes to a resume. I agree completely.
And always check your spelling. No spelling mistakes, please.
Oh yes, spelling mistakes can make a bad impression. Always read your resume again before you send it.
Read it 2 times or ask a friend to check it for you. A second pair of eyes always helps.
That is a wonderful tip. 2 people checking is better than 1.
Now, let us talk about one more thing. English learners who are writing a resume in English.
Yes, this is very important for our listeners. What advice do you have?
Use simple sentences. Do not try to use very complicated words. Clear and simple English is better.
I agree. Simple and correct is much better than complex and confusing.
You can also look at resume examples online for ideas, but write your own words. Do not copy.
Good point. Use examples as a guide, but make it personal. Make it yours.
Because your resume should sound like you. It is your story, your journey.
I love that. Your resume is your story. That is a beautiful way to think about it.
And everyone has a story worth telling. Do not be afraid. Be confident.
Confidence is so important, even when you're learning, even when you're not perfect.
Nobody is perfect, but a confident and honest resume will always stand out.
Well said, Emily. This has been such a helpful conversation today.
Thank you, Robert. I think our listeners now have a very good start for writing their own resume.
Yes, remember the 5 parts: personal information, objective, work experience, education, and skills.
Keep it 1 page, use simple language, check your spelling, and be proud of who you are.
You can do this. Writing a resume is not scary. It's just telling your story on paper.
And now for our question of the day, we want you to practice. Go to the comments below.
Write one sentence from your resume. For example, I am good at working with people, or my favorite skill is using computers.
We will read your comments. We love to see your progress. It makes us so happy.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And share this episode with someone who's looking for a job. It might help them a lot.
We will be back very soon with another fun and useful lesson. Until then, keep practicing.
Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, you're doing great. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. Take care and stay wonderful.